The fun of the AA ISO is that you can keep on installing and learning and making different choices, because it's an adult playground. Choose Plasma, choose Mate, choose anything you like, and ArcoLinux will install it, will have it. Let me first get the keys. Go to the ALCI, or LS actually. Right, LS, and then start. Now I say yes, and then I stop. No. So I'm gonna go for a nano ls.conf. Last time we did Plasma. This time X4 is good for me, but this time I'm gonna go for Plasma if I see it. So desktop environment, GNOME, KDE, stop, XFCE is out, exclamation mark, Mate, Cinnamon, LXDE, i3 gaps, deeping, left LBM, dusk, it's all there. So Ctrl X, yes please. And then you run the script, and it's actually the ls.sh, that's the only one that we need. And then we sit back. That's why I love the project of Pico. Right? You have a pure ArcoLinux ISO, you build it yourself, the latest reflector, the latest mirrors, the latest keys, etc. of today, you build it today, it's gonna be up to date, right? Otherwise it's gonna be the one from the first of the month always. And then we put two folders in there, one to play with, dev, development, and the other one that is always working. And off we go. Choose on the fly, or decide you're never gonna go for Plasma ever again, right? And you always go for XFC, fine. Then put XFC as default, like I do, and you just run, but we've just made a video about XFCE. So on the fly, I just edit the file, boom, run. And we're almost there where it's gonna fetch the complete Plasma. I don't think the complete in the sense that there is this, that's the bunch, right? There is this KDE applications meta, which you should watch out for. Not installed. I don't think it's installed because it contains all the meta things. So all the games are in there, all the, what was it again? Lots of meta packs, like more or less 10, which results in gigabytes of downloads. Unless you like the games. Here you see a few of them at the end. Utilities meta, graphics meta, network meta, but there is more. There's games meta. And then you pull those in as well. There is no better feel than a clean install. Windows, Mac, Linux alike. Everything seems to be better, faster, cleaner. Right, and you can start again, learn again. How was this done again? How was this done again? When everything is on an ISO, you tend to forget how you did it. So AOR is not, is possible, voila, INC, Sublime Text. These are straight from the AOR, so package build, downloaded, installed, and we are done, right? In 3 minutes we have installed Plasma. It was just up there, you can see it in the log. In 3 minutes time we have an operating system. In 3 minutes, right? Go to ArcoLinux D website and menu number 7 there. I can't type that fast, right? That's why we script. That's what the fun is in Linux. You have people working for you. The scripts. And this is your Plasma cursor. And of course it will be default Plasma, right? There's nothing added. This is pure Arch, pure Plasma, done. Don't like the look? Change the look. Change the look. This is unimportant how it looks. Utterly unimportant. Is actually console is the name. Voila. Can we? Okay, fine. This is actually done, right? So sudo pacman minus syyU. This is pure Arch. We don't like pure Arch. Fine. Then you do more things. Add more things. AUR or anything. What I'm gonna do is go to the internet and test something else. I've been tweaking and changing my scripts and the way I use them. ArcoLinux info. On the first page of the information website, there is a way to get our packages on any Arch Linux. Any Arch Linux based, right? Get the message, don't think in boxes. Sudo pacman minus U ArcoLinux spices. Off it goes. Sure. Then it's somewhere in the menus, normally in accessories somewhere, but this is not XFCE. So I'll have to look where it is, at the beginning. A from ArcoLinux, thank God, right? And you wait till the line here says, well, it stops. This is freezing, I guess. So we wait till it continues. Okay. I think that's done. Belly filling, right? Sudo pacman minus syyU. Voila, we have the repos of ArcoLinux. Sudo pacman minus s ArcoLinux system config. I've just made a new package for this one. Failed to install, that's okay. No packages were upgraded, that's not okay. So what I do on the AAISO, I apply some knowledge that I have on ArcoLinux and I put this number in there. That's an interesting, oh my God, I have to do it again. Okay, 99 numeric lock. He's not happy with my numeric lock. So if I remove this thing, then the line in there, the file in there is for the Ctrl-Alt backspace. Some of the distros out there have it. If you do Ctrl-Alt backspace, then you kill the desktop and you go to SDDM or LightDM. I like that. Sometimes when you're working with, in the beginning, like Worm and Berry, and there are so many tiling window managers where you need to figure out how to launch the damn thing and how to kill the damn thing, right? Ctrl-Alt backspace, bam, it's killed, and we're back at SDDM. So that's in there as well in the system config kit. Now it's installed, and I have something called get nemesis. Oh yeah, baby. So I've got myself, made myself easier, faster, better, and I just run my scripts. 0 numlock. I install, or I make sure that things are not installed. So after any distribution out there, you can make scripts. You say, I don't want that, don't want that, don't want that. So all the things that could be there are gone. I never need any of these guys, except of course this one, but it's protected anyway by pacman. So on real metal, the VirtualBox driver would be uninstalled. So first remove any applications you find on Linux Mint and on Susan and anywhere, right? And then say, okay, now I'm missing, and this is what I'm missing. I want ArcoLinux Fish to be default there on anything I'm using, working on, right? Now this is created to be an ArcoLinux Nemesis, not ArcoLinux Nemesis. I have that too. arcolinux-nemesis, which means bash rc is not there. For instance, sudo pacman -s our arcolinux bash rc, which is root actually, is not there. I need to install that later on. Plus ArcoLinux ZSH. Time to me to work, I guess. 5 minutes snooze, guys, and then I'm off. Let's see. Nope, still busy. Scroll down, scroll down. He's doing all kind of things. Things I decide, I want, you make your scripts. And it's very detailed, like even the Telegram icon is replaced so that it has a nice look and stuff like that. Like really going for the 100%. And that's what's possible on Linux and not or less possible on other operating systems. Okay, can I add something to the list? These two guys for sure. Sure, if I want to have my own plasma look, I can get it on ArcoLinux plasma look, but hey, start from scratch, right? Just have fun with it. But there is indeed something to just show. Sudo pacman -s ArcoLinux. Lots of SADM stuff. And Plasma starts Plasma Arc Candy, Plasma Nemesis, K services, Nordic Darker Candy. So looks, themes, all possible, but hey, you just end current choices. So we're at the very end. And if you're on Plasma, he will do stuff like this one, right? Don't need to make bookmarks again and again and again of every installation, every SSD that I have, every computer that I have. So copy paste, move that to there, and voila, everything is available in Dolphin, in Tunar, it's there. Another way of working, right? Gotta go. Cheers.